Hello, my friends. How are you? I hope you are doing great in your life and you can remain happy at your home. I would like to say that I know that everything very well about you. So now today I'm here to speak you something about the English and what all what all do you do at your home. That's why today I'm here to speak you about that and what do you do at your home to learn English. That's what I'll tell you about that and try to listen to me carefully and try to practice at your home. I would like to say you will be learning English fluently. Okay, not a day goes by when I don't practice in English. I always practice at my home because if I can speak in English fluently and properly, not fluently, but I would like to say that whatever I'm going to tell you about that, that's what I'm telling you in English a little bit. That's what you can become an English speaker like me, but still you have to practice. Getting my point? What I'm saying? There is nothing. There is nothing without practice, and practice is the most important part of life. If you do hard work daily at your home, you will be seeing that definitely you can go on your life. And those people are not doing hard work in his life at his home. That person can't go on his life, and that person can't do anything in his life because practice is the most important part of life, and you can get everything from the practice. And practice makes us English speaker and IS officer, OS officer, whatever you want to do. That's what you do, no problem. But still, if you don't know English, if you don't have any English knowledge in your life, you don't have any English knowledge in your brain, then any company does not hire you. Any company does not tell you to hire you at that company. But why can't you hire you? Because you don't know anything about that. You don't know communication skills. Because nowadays communication skill is the most important part of our life. If you go other side to get a job, then that HR, whoever is sitting on that chair, that person will tell you, do you know English and how much knowledge do you have in English. If you do say and if you say so like that to them, then definitely that person will hire you. Otherwise that person hire you because that person only knows about you. You don't know anything about the English. Okay, so there is still time. Please mind your ways and try to focus on that. Basically I would like to say that I'll suggest you, please try to focus on that. And nowadays English is the most important part of our life, and it is very necessary to us to learn English. Getting my point? That's what I did today. I'm here to speak you about that English because not fluently. You can't tell me like that. You don't speak. You can't speak a word of English. You can't speak in English fluently. That is true. It will do, no problem. It is enough to me. But still, whatever I'm going to tell you, that was fact, and that is fact. There is still time. Please mend your ways, and you learn English fluently. If you have, if you want to get a job in your life, if you want to expect more salary from that company, in which company will you get a job? You can get that. You can get more salary from that company by learning English. Getting my point? So there is still time. Please mend your ways, and you need to learn English. Okay, I know that English is a global language, but still, so that's why we will have to learn English because English is a global language. There is something, there is everything in the English. Okay, those people are not learning in English. Those people doesn't want to learn English. That person will knock down to them. I'm telling you. I don't know that after that what will happen or not, but still I would like to say that whatever I'm going to tell you and whatever I have told you that as fact, and you will be seeing that after that it is going to be happen. So that's why I like to say it is going to happen. So why can't we practice in English fluently and properly at our home? Okay, so try to practice and try to speak in English fluently and properly, at least a little bit. As if you can get happiness, as if you can get a more salary job in a company, in a reputed company. Okay, bye.